Hiya, pal.
I'm trying to reach you. You're tougher to get than the president. Are you Mr. McAllister? The Mr. McAllister who lives here?
Hello?
Where you going, kid? You hear me or what?
Hello?
Hiya, pal.
What'd you say?
Hiya, pal.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear it. Can you speak up?
I'm trying to reach you. You're tougher to get than the president.
This is Jamie.
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me!
I really can't hear what the hell they're saying. I can't hear anything. Hold on for 1 second. Let me get the phone away.
Yeah. Okay.
My pastrami tastes like chocolate orange juice.
The Mr. McAllister who lives here? Are you Mr. McAllister? Fucker.
I like to fill the bathtub up with Pepto-Bismol and clip my toenails.
How the fuck am I funny? What the fuck is so funny about me? Tell me what's...
Sometimes when I get horny, I hump my shoes.
Well, I don't give a fuck. I make you laugh. I'm a clown. I amuse you. I'm here to fucking amuse you.
Well, poodles are green.
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me!
What the fuck is your problem?
I would like to shave your body and roll around in the hair.
What if I was just to kick the ever-loving shit out of you? If I was to kick the shit out of you, do I get the money?
Would you tie me up in leather and spank me?
No. No? No, tomorrow, get now! You like to renegotiate as you go along, huh?
I'd like to be strapped down and fed spaghetti.
You're sick, you know that? Vincent LaGuardia again, Beamer. You must be staying. How you doing?
I think wheat bread is a lot more sexy than white bread.
Okay.
You said I'm bringing heat on you? I gotta listen to people because of your fucking shit? You're ordering me out? You better get your own fucking army, pal. You're fucking warned. Don't ever go over my fucking head again. You motherfucker, you.
Would you like to shave my head and tape the hair to your body?
No?
I'd like to dip your toes in I can't believe it's not butter.
You're sick, you know that?
And lick it off.
No.
I like to rub peanut butter on my butt crack. Fart.
Well, I don't give a fuck. You know, I don't know what it is, but the more I talk to you, the more I feel like you just don't want to go along.
I think she left. I think she hung up. Hello?
Hiya, pal.
Are you still there, miss?
Yeah.
Yes. That guy wants a couple lines. I rub nacho cheese on my fingers and have other people lick it off one by one.
If I was to kick the shit out of you, do I get the money?
That's what I do. How I roll. How I get down.
Are you Mr. McAllister? The Mr. McAllister who lives here? You hear me or what?
I like peeing in the stand. I like taking dumps in the stand-up urinals. Do you do that?
No. No. Thank you very, very much.
Hey, hon, how are you?
No, tomorrow, egghead, now! Where's your fucking balls?
What's my problem?
What the fuck is your problem? Yeah.
There is no fucking problem here, ma'am.
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of
From
me!
New York. Hey, ma'am, do you know who you're calling? Who you're talking to?
Yeah.
You guys don't know this person, right? He's straight from Staten
Merry
Island.
Christmas.
You motherfucker, you! What's up?
Merry Christmas.
Listen. I know she. Listen to it. I'm back, babe.
I believe you and Lisa played a game of pool for $200, which she won. I believe you and Lisa played a game of pool for $200, which she won. I'm here to collect.
I like sticking coat hangers into women's vaginas.
I could use a good ass kick, and I'll be very honest with you.
I do that, but only on the weekend.
If I was to kick the shit out of you, do I get the money?
I think your face looks like a mule.
I'm what counts out here. Let your fucking country clubs or
Okay,
your
I've
fucking
enjoyed
TV.
hanging out and partying with you, but I've got to go. Bye. I'm sorry. Call back. I don't know who's going to answer, but not me.
Thank you
Goodbye,
very,
honey.
very
Bye.
much.